for my experience, chemo intervention is absolutely not I don't feel nauseated. After 3 to 4 days, I feel really okay. I am Venus. I come from the Philippines and I'm 54 years old. I'm here for my breast cancer, which was already in stage 4 and has metastasized in the bones. Actually, I had the nipple inversion. It got inverted since 2018. So quite a long time ago, but since I did not feel any pain, I did not do anything about it until in December of 2020. I noticed that I have some blood discharge. That's when I saw that the wound has already started. It was very small then. And then I still didn't do anything about it until in this year, in 2024, when I decided that I should do something about it. Even though I visited an oncologist, and she suggested that I should have regular chemotherapy and radiation, I did not agree with it. So I was still looking for other methods which is not so harmful to my body. So in December, when I had the accident and then I could not care for my wound, so my husband was seeking in the internet. So he was typing minimally invasive cancer treatment. That's what he put in the keywords. And then this modern hospital came out the first. So he read it, and then he said, oh, this is a better option for you, since you don't want the traditional chemotherapy. And he read about the cryotherapy. So after that, we scheduled an interview with the Manila satellite office, and then we learned more about it. So we were convinced that this is the one that I'm looking for. This is the best treatment for me. So the plan was 6 chemo intervention and then 1 cryotherapy. So, but after the first chemo intervention, they saw that my tumor had shrunk significantly. After having a meeting with the surgeon for the cryotherapy, she suggested that my treatment would be better with microwave ablation. Yeah, so the microwave ablation best fit for me because of the where the tumor is located, the location of the tumor. So that's what I took. So I had that like 3 weeks ago, and so yeah, it's really completely painless. I was just sleeping, and when I woke up, it was already done. They are really happy that I found such treatment, because they are very confident that since it is minimally invasive, that it would not harm me that much, as much as the other way of treatment. It's very good. I feel really comfortable here, and the service, the staff, they're very nice and very accommodating, and even the place is very conducive. Only me and my husband is in the room, so it's not shared with somebody else, so we are very comfortable. And then we are allowed to go out if we feel good. We're not like a prisoner inside the hospital for a long time. There's a lot of activities that the hospital is arranging for the patients and their companions, so we are not bored. So yeah, there are trips to somewhere. not the typical hospital well, in the Philippines. When we are in the hospital, we are really in the hospital. So here it's like there's a treatment and there's a bit of a vacation, something like that. So it helps in the healing process. We feel good. We don't really think of our sickness all the time, like 24/7. I'm sick, I'm sick, I'm sick. There's a breathing space, and it's because the hospital is making sure that it's given to us. All the doctors and nurses, they're very accommodating, even though there's because we are speaking English, there's a bit of a language barrier, but there are translators that go around. I think it's working well. Yeah, for those who are still fighting with cancer, and if you think it's not working well for you, don't be afraid to look for other alternatives. Yes, because everyone is different and we have different bodies. One can work for this person, and this one, it doesn't mean that this can work for another person. So find out the best one that suits you. Scientific side of treating cancer that is really helpful. It's still best to seek treatments in very good hospitals like this, in a modern cancer hospital. And then also consider that the treatment should not greatly affect you. If there are better options in which you won't be harmed that much, then seek for that treatment. And you can find it here in Modern Cancer Hospital.